Here is another of my silk shading samples. This one I have worked in stranded cotton. I've used 2 threads in the needle. This is me plying them together individually. Never worked them twisted as a pair. Just a general tip when using stranded cotton, always individually strand them out. But I've used 2 strands together for this long and short because it gives us a chunkier finish. So in the long term, we are building up to looking at long and short in a single strand of stranded cotton, which is how most of us tend to work that if we want a really highly detailed, carefully shaded piece of work. If you want to achieve something a bit faster, 2 strands is the way to go. But as you can see, this does look ever so slightly choppy because the 2 strands automatically try and twist together even if we stranded them out individually. There are other benefits of working with stranded cotton. It has got a far nicer sheen to it than the wool. The wool we looked at last week, it's fluffier, it's chunkier, it has a fluffy texture, it looks more matte. Stranded cotton is smaller, it's sleeker, and it has a nice sheen, and it comes in such a wide range of colours that for the most part this is what I tend to use when I am doing long and short or silk shading or needle painting. It's all the same thing. So one benefit of mixing 2 colours together in the needle at the same time means that I can graduate my shading more. So I started this with 5 different stranded cottons from light to dark in a pink range. Several pink ranges because we actually get down to purple at the bottom. But to extend that range, I could use a light and a medium together. So I think I have about 8 or 9 mixes in this sample. It is a sample that took me quite a while. This box took me almost an hour and a half filming it. So the full length of this recording and all of my random insights is being uploaded to my Essential Embroidery Stitch Society. They've got the full length recording. We've got the very short cut down version, but it does give us a little bit of everything. So you can see that as I'm getting down to the bottom here, I'm really trying to make sure that the stitches run to the bottom. I'm not going into satin stitch. It's still very carefully shaded. Stitches are still being pierced as they get down to the bottom. So I'm still carefully shading all the way down to the end. First look at stranded cotton in silk shading.